In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the USB wall charger outlet extender. This is it right here, and I love it because you could plug in more things than just two on the wall socket. Right here, you have 3 USB plugs, and then you have 3 regular sockets. So as you can see, you could plug in 6 things with one outlet plug. And then if you come over here, you're going to see a couple switches. So you have the on, which is to the left, you have the off, and then you have the auto. This is actually also a night light. So the light comes out from the bottom, and if you leave it on auto, what it's going to do is there's a sensor right here. So when you leave it on auto in the daytime, it's not going to turn on, but at nighttime it turns on once it senses something, and once it senses darkness. So it's going to be on, and it's going to be a night light down here. If you leave it on the on, in the on position, it's actually going to be turned on, so you could see it as a night light in the middle of the night, or actually in the daytime. So I really recommend this. We plug in all kinds of things to here, and it's been working like a champ, and I just love it because we have one area in the kitchen where we have all our charging. It's pretty much like our charging area where we have all our phones and everything. So I love this, and I really recommend it.